Hello and welcome to our video on what would happen if Earth and Venus collided. Earth and Venus are two of the closest planets in the solar system, and their paths sometimes cross in a phenomenon known as a planetary conjunction. But what if these two planets were to collide? In this video, we'll explore the consequences of a hypothetical collision between Earth and Venus. Fact number 1. The first thing that would happen if Earth and Venus collided is that both planets would be destroyed. The collision would result in a massive explosion that would send debris flying out in all directions. The intense heat and pressure generated by the impact would vaporize both planets, leaving nothing but a cloud of dust and debris in their place. Fact number 2. The impact of the collision would also send shockwaves through the solar system. These shockwaves would disrupt the orbits of other planets and could potentially cause collisions with other objects in the solar system. The impact would also send a large amount of debris hurtling towards the sun, which could potentially disrupt the sun's activity and cause solar flares. Fact number 3. The debris from the collision would also pose a significant threat to any nearby spacecraft or satellites. The debris would be moving at extremely high speeds and could potentially damage or destroy any object in its path. This could have serious consequences for space exploration and the use of satellite technology. Fact number 4. Another consequence of the collision would be the loss of the Moon. The Moon is thought to have formed from debris left over after a collision between Earth and another object, so a collision with Venus would likely result in the destruction of the Moon as well. This would have significant implications for Earth's tides and could potentially disrupt the planet's rotation. Fact number 5. The impact would also generate an enormous amount of dust and debris that would be ejected into space. This dust could potentially block out sunlight and cause a temporary cooling of the Earth's atmosphere. This could have significant effects on the planet's climate and weather patterns. Fact number 6. The collision could also have long-term effects on the habitability of other planets in the solar system. The impact would generate a large amount of heat, which could potentially cause the surface of Mars to melt and release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This could trigger a runaway greenhouse effect, making Mars even more inhospitable to life than it already is. Fact number 7. The collision would also have significant implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. Venus is often considered a potential candidate for the existence of microbial life, but a collision with Earth would likely wipe out any potential life forms on the planet. The impact would also scatter debris from both planets throughout the solar system, potentially contaminating other planets and making it more difficult to find evidence of life elsewhere. Fact number 8. The aftermath of the collision would likely leave a massive debris field in space, which could pose a significant hazard to future space missions. The debris field would be composed of countless fragments of rock and dust, some of which could be moving at extremely high speeds. This could make it difficult for spacecraft to navigate through the debris field without sustaining damage. Fact 9. The collision would also have significant implications for our understanding of the origins of the solar system. The debris field generated by the impact would contain valuable information about the composition of both planets and could provide new insights into how the solar system formed. Fact 10. Finally, the collision between Earth and Venus would be a catastrophic event with far-reaching implications for the future of space exploration and our understanding of the universe. It would remind us of the fragility of our planet and the importance of protecting it. It would also serve as a reminder that the universe is a complex and dynamic place, full of mysteries and wonders that we have yet to fully understand. And that's it for our video on what would happen if Earth and Venus collided. While such an event is highly unlikely, it's fascinating to explore the hypothetical consequences of such a catastrophic event. From the destruction of both planets to the creation of a massive debris field and its implications for the rest of the solar system, the impact of such a collision would be profound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this.